Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another 09 Tuna Fish video. And today is day 9 of the countdown. Day 9 of the countdown to Dragon opening day. Now, we only have 2 days to go. So that means we only have 2 more attractions to talk about. Or how the series does fly by. Today, we are going to be talking about Splash Lagoon. Wahoo! So yes, let's get straight into it. So, it opened in 2024 and is in the Lost City, Lost thing, whatever it's called. You know where it is. What is it? There's Lost Kingdom, yeah. It's in Lost Kingdom, guys. And yes, it is a family water ride, you know, tiny little log flume. You go up a lift and then go around and you go down drops and then you go down another drop. You know, there's 2 drops, you know. It's a family attraction, yes! And it's themed to a tropical lagoon in like a dinosaur, good, yes. This is a very quick video because there's not much to talk about with Splash Lagoon. But if you did like it, please do subscribe. That would be greatly appreciated. And yes, that is day 9 completed. Only 3 days to go till Dragon opening day.